good, so good. I got you. We're looking on form. Let's try to load up my pants. Load up my kicks. Scary to get going. Because it's so solid. Oh. I knew I was gonna miss. Yeah, that's where I hit the rock. Oh yeah. Middle fingers. Middle fingers. I got hit on my middle fingers. Take this off. That hurts so much. Oh, yeah, this one's better. Shins before. I've never been hit on my shins before. Before you start subjecting yourself to a large amount of punishment on a limb that you've never used, hit it with the palm of your hand first to condition and strengthen it before you make a fool of yourself. Don't read up too silly. Yeah. I've never been hit on my shins before. Ooh, not like that. Not like something that hard. Shucks. There's no test. I'm gonna cut it again. That would pop that stick. That stick is screaming when it hits those rocks. Those hard spots. And your limbs will get stronger. Your bones respond to that. What's it called? That stress, that load. And they do. Will get stronger. It's actually pointed. I'm still using this camera. exposed nerves, arteries, veins. That's why it stings so much. If you ever do strength conditioning to your face, like if you're trying to prepare for being struck, go slow, go soft, and only use like the palms, like the soft parts of your hands and your palms, and go very gently and easily all across your face. Don't use your knuckles. Seriously, because you have, especially if it's your first time, you have small bones and usually protrusions coming off your skull, and when you hit them gently and you give yourself time, they will grow. It will grow out over that. It will go up and become smooth and strong. But please, because there's been a few times where I have cracked like little bones and stuff, and I was like, hey, I should have gone, just go a little more gentle. Don't go all crazy and stuff. I've cracked my nose once recently, the very tip of it, and just, yeah. Because I've done this for a while, I'm going to use my fingertips, use the palms, using some decent strikes. But yeah, you want to go easier than this. Please go easier than this if it's your first time. You really do want to go gentle on yourself, like seriously, like, and just go all over your face, your skin, your nose, your bones, around your eyes. Poke them, get used to that pressure all over. Because our head is usually the softest, the most exposed part of our body. So you gotta take care to strengthen that. And I'll just strike it all over. And that really helps. Trust me, that really, really helps. Amber lenses help as well. It helps save your energy, honestly, because your body's not reacting so much to the blue light. You have less information coming in, and it does help a little bit. Plus, they look really cool, and it is soothing. Helps you go to sleep at night. Helps you preserve your night vision. Please go easy and gentle with yourself. The only one you're trying to impress is yourself. The only competition you have is with yourself. There is no real competition with another. You're just trying to get better for your own sake. And that's why we do it. That's why we get better. That's the first time I'm able to do that, by the way. I've never done that before with my fingers. I've done lots of gentle training upon my fingertips, but nothing like constant strikes like this. Because I'm trying really hard. With karate, when you initiate any type of action or movement, when you go to do something, you go to do it, you can execute it fully, with the intent to fully, to commit to that, to strike, to hurt, to knock apart, to kick, to disable, to take that person down, take him down. You have to, for the sake of your family, for your loved ones. Ooh. Son of a gun, my elbow is hard. Oh, God. But yeah, you have soft parts all over the body. You have soft parts in like your wrists, your hands, your elbows. If you're ever in trouble, just develop your thumb muscles. Or even if you got small fists, if you're a body type, Ivy, you're one of those. Yeah, you too. And it's like you can just and just expose parts. Like it hurts so much to get struck in the neck, the throat, here, and the eyes, and the groin. Son, yeah, it's a soft nut tap. So all you gotta do is just a pop, just a. Ooh. It's like getting hit in the eyes. It's like getting hit in the eyeballs down there. It's that painful. Guys aren't joking when we refer to that and how much pain we get into. Okay. Oh my God. Let's try this. I just gotta get used to it. But be very gentle when you do. Look up to it slowly. Don't do it on purpose because you can damage your reproductive organs like that. Go for... You don't want sharp pain. No, you don't want intense pain, but you want some pain. That's pain that lets you know that you're approaching a limit, or that you're at some form or level of discomfort or growth or change. Pain signifies change, as well as discomfort. Yeah, and don't just brutally punish yourself. Your body will recover pretty quickly if you don't push it too far and you give it time to relax and recover. My fists are so much harder. I've been punching cement bricks, foundation pillars. That doesn't actually hurt all that much. I hope you guys can see my feet. This looks like I'm banging on. I hope it's pointing down for me. I have no idea. Screw it. I'm just gonna back up just a tad. Oh, smokes. Okay. Arm. Soft spots all belong here in the inside of that, because that's where your arteries and veins run. Central nervous tissue. Oh my. Yeah, you got all kinds of. Right here, and on the inside along here, your thighs. I think just behind the back of the leg, around the ankles, your toes. It's like stomp on someone's toes. Yeah, your kicks are powerful. All right. Okay, conditioned. I can go. Check the screen real quick. The screen is off. Say so. Okay. No, it's not say so. I just saw you adjust. Alright. Dinkies, it feels so good. You know, that hurts more. Be a bit stronger because of that. Duck. I'll practice your head movements as well. body movements. Usually people will swing for your head. And now take a step back safely. You literally step back. That's usually all you have to do is that's usually all it takes is just say, because people's reach are only so far when they're swinging at you, punching for you. Unless they're trained for it, they're going to lose most of their momentum. By you stepping back, you save yourself a lot of danger, avoid a lot of danger. Oh, God. Feels good, actually. It's not going to do it. Oh, yeah. Heel strikes are really powerful because you use keep your eye on the target because you use your butt muscles, and it's very deceiving action. It's like, oh no, please don't hurt me, please don't mind me. Wow, to the groin, to his kneecaps, to his shoulders, to his face. Of course, training always comes first. Just by you practicing kicks, it requires so much engagement of like all your muscles. Just by you just throwing a kick, you're not carrying any weight on you. But you picking up your leg like that, just like, that builds up so much more than you know. So by practicing punches, even if you've never done them before, especially if you've never done them before, it helps so much.